names are Umutoni Patience. I have been here in this session for the youth, volunteering, the SYNC. It is a good program. I'm so grateful and privileged to be part of this. As a parent who has come to witness the highlights of the program. I have a child who has finished high school. He's 17 years old. So I felt he should be part of this volunteering because it's so resourceful. It's the best start of his life. He's going to university. So he will be having an opportunity to get connected, also to cultivate those positive values of a human being so that he can navigate his life so easily. Life is not easy. It has challenges, it has ups and downs, but still me as a parent, I am not able to give him all what he needs concerning the morals or what he can get from school, from home, but even somewhere else by experience. So I hope he will get a lot from this program of volunteering. I've followed what they've said they will do in the program, and he will benefit. Yes, I'm sure, and thank you for that.
Alphonse, I'm coming from Kichukuru district, Gatenga sector. So honestly, I'm very happy about this IYF volunteers program. So I think the way I have received many different informations about IYF volunteers will be helpful and will be something to increase my ability and capacity of performing my near career. So recently I was in a secondary school. So in this stage, there is the way you think some things can't happen because you are still young and you don't know what is going on outside. So according to what we have got in this one day, at the beginning of this session, so I have been inspired about the way, even if we are still young, but we can achieve something big, which is different and outstanding according to the way we're judging ourselves. So thank you.